that's it. So good morning, everyone. Again, you're gonna hear the same thing. I'm gonna be shooting a wedding again today, 8 hours, and I'm also running late as usual. I hope you don't get tired of me running late always. Anyway, I'm heading there now, and I'll be shooting alone for the first few hours, and I'm gonna have somebody to rescue me later. Gotta start driving now. Damn, just lowered the volume. I was talking about this yesterday regarding people vlogging. So some of the vlogs I see on YouTube are nonsense. Like people are just putting their pranks, putting their videos of them just doing nothing, like just to put a video. And I don't want to be in that position. So yeah, but as of the moment, I'm uploading videos which are what's happening in my day. There's no story, there's no definite lesson or anything that would make it so what do you call it, interesting. But I'm trying to position things. I'm not doing a lot of cinematic b-rolls right now because I realize I keep on doing it and there's no content on my video. So yeah, I'm trying my best here. Thing is, yeah, I just don't want to be those guys, like those douchebags who like do pranks and try to do YouTube, which is nonsense. Well, mine's a bit nonsense, but I try to make it fun. Okay, so if ever you see something nonsense, something inappropriate in my videos, please do send message. Please do comment below. That's the right term, because I don't want to be that douche. Back in the Philippines, I listen to old school classic music like this on a Sunday. I just lay back in the couch, go to sleep, and listen to these music. Far out. I'm messing up big time. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're still shooting a wedding now, and yep, I'm vlogging. Okay, selfie.
And I honestly knew that Tash would be obviously very nervous because I was very nervous. To touch on a little bit of what Glenn mentioned with the deadlifter thing.
So yeah, we're finished with the wedding again today, and yeah, I didn't vlog a lot because we were busy working. Yeah, I'm with Silver Arrow. Marlon here. Yeah, so we're heading home now, and yeah, that's it. Let's go. So yeah, I'm in the road again. I'm heading home, and it's so dark here in Sherbrooke. I don't know. Yeah, it's so dark. I'm on my way home. Tomorrow's gonna be another work day, and I need to get my files up and ready. So yeah, it's kind of dark. You can see in the video, it's like it's soft and dark and everything else. But yeah, that's how it is here. And yeah, I'm heading out now. Okay. It's kind of creepy. Dark, really. That's the road. Your road. Okay, let's go. We're not in the woods, not in the mountains, but here in this, I don't know what this is. I don't know where I am really. I'm just following the GPS wherever it brings me. But yeah, I'm on my way home and I'm listening to this mellow rock. I might go sleepy. Tomorrow's gonna be another work day, and yeah, back to the grind after being in the grind. But it's all good. It's all good. One thing I like about weddings is that I enjoy it no matter how tiring it is, no matter how stressful it is, no matter how hard the shoot is. I enjoy it. That's what's important. If you're doing what you want, that doesn't matter. Everything doesn't matter. Like, it's you're all good. And it suddenly gets dark. Okay, I can try more.